Let's make vegan lentil lasagna. Add your olive oil, your chopped up celery and carrots, and some salt. You're gonna saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes. While that's going, we're gonna measure out our seasoning. So you're gonna add your onion powder, your garlic powder, Italian seasoning, some red pepper flakes, but only if you want to, because that's your business. It's my business to add some, because I like a little kick in the throat. Y también some black pepper. By the time you finish measuring all of that, this something should soften. So we're just gonna add that in. We're just going to stir for about 2 minutes until it's fragrant. It smells good and nice. I just drained my lentils, so I'm gonna add those. Plus 3 cups of water and 2 bouillon cubes. Bring that to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Yummy. Lentils are tender, so now you're gonna add in your tomatoes and bring that to a boil. Pro tip, make sure that you get the seasoned crushed tomatoes, not the no salt added. You need all the salt you can get, child. Now you're going to crush up your lasagna pieces. Break them up, break them up. This is a great stress reliever. Add in your dairy-free milk and your spinach. Cover the pot, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now stir in your cheese. I only use 1 bag of cheese, but you can use as much cheese as you want, because that's your business. Now you're going to transfer everything to a casserole dish and then top it with the rest of your cheese. Get every last drop, child. You're gonna cover this and bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes and then uncover it and bake it for another 10. Ooh, bubbly. And she's done. Voila. I'm so hungry and I just can't wait any longer for this to cool down. I need to eat it right now. Child. This one is for Rudy. Actually, this one's mine because it's bigger. Mmm.